In the land of ice and snow, up among the Eskimos, there's a college known as Ogiwawa.
Wah, wah, wah.
You should hear those college boys, gee, they make an awful noise when they sing their Eskimo tra-la-la. They've got a leader, big cheerleader, oh what a guy.
He's got a frozen face just like an Eskimo pie.
When he says, come on, let's go, though it's 45 below.
We went out pushing. Behind the grocery store, they had the big swamp down on Main Street, was an ice house. And Mike Lair was a local guy. He had the bar north, and he kept ice in the big sawdust thing. So we would, this is in the 50s, so we would buy a block of ice, and you had to pick it into pieces. And then we had one about the same as this. And then made ice cream. Of course, we had our own cows and cream and everything, and chickens and eggs. So it was we just didn't have the ice.
The red button,
Yeah,
Ready
we
with your
should get
spoons.
some.
Oh! Whoa! That he's getting way too much on the dasher.
Yeah, that's.
Oh, you should get us something to scrape it off
Yes.
with? Okay.
We can just lick it.
Yeah.
Oogie, wah, wah, rah, rah, rah.
Tuesday, Monday, we all scream Sunday. Woo!
Roy Borealis, rah.
Boola, boola.